Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to submit a request in Ambire Wallet. For that, firstly, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter Ambire Key Store PIN. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and on the top left, you can see 3-line icon. You can tap on that. Here now you can see report and issue option just below help center. You can tap on that. Now you will be led to another page where you need to enter some of the informations like your email address, subject, description, topic and attachments. Now you also need to choose the topic that you are facing. Now if you have any kind of attachments available, you can simply tap on this option and attach it over there. If not, you can simply tap on submit and your request will be submitted in Ambire Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.